Hey guys, welcome back to Copy Cubing. This is a video on how to solve the 2x2. So the 2x2 is probably the simplest WCA event. However, there is an easier one, which is the clock, which has no algorithms. But the 2x2 had like 12 algorithms in this method. This is the Ortega method. It's really simple to learn. And those 12 algorithms can become 11 or 10 if you don't want to memorize all of them. So let's just begin. So if you know how to solve one side, then you should do that now. It doesn't have to be a layer. It can either be these two swapped and these two swapped, so no bars. Or it can be one bar here or anywhere. Or there could be a layer. So when you solve that, then what you want to do is start solving the opposite side. So basically the yellow side. Now, so this, how you solve this is 1 in 7 algorithms. Now, you can turn those 7 into 6 with this case being mirrored. So basically like this. You can do this algorithm on the left side. However, let's just start with the algorithms. So first up, we have the T case, which we kind of have this bar right here, and these two white, yellow sticking out. So how we do this is very simple. We just do this, which is an algorithm that goes like RU, R prime, U prime. Then do a sledgehammer to put it in. So like that. So to avoid the regress when you do this, you can just do this. So kind of like you're pinching this corner. Then make sure to do F prime with your index finger on your left. Now, you can do this algorithm on the left. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be sticking to the right side. So next, what we have is a pi case. So basically, I have a bar here. And these two are facing away from each other. So what you want to do is hold this bar on the left and these two sticking out front and back. So basically what you do is this. So basically you do this and then this algorithm twice. The RU, R prime, U prime. Then we have this case, which is the H case. Basically, there's a bar back here and here. This is probably the easiest algorithm to memorize. You do this. So, right side up twice. R2, U2, R, U2, R2. So basically, to avoid the regrip from doing this, you can also do it like this. It's as fast and saves as much time. And then we have this case, which I was talking about in the intro. So we have basically this going in a counterclockwise direction. So this sticker is facing up and these two are like that. Basically what you want to do is hold the sticker in the right back right basically, and then want to hold this sticker to the right. Then you do this algorithm. So you could do the algorithm like that with the regrip, like But what you can do is like that. Pinch the corner. Oops, sorry. So you basically just like do that. So instead of this, you can do this. And then next, we have the zoom case, where it's basically that case but mirrored. Now you could do this and then that algorithm on the left. But you could do an easy version, which is like this. And then, so that's basically how you do the zoom case. Then there's this algorithm, which is called the U case, where you basically have kind of like a U, like this. So basically this is the pi case, but you do this once. It's really easy. And then L case, which is the final case for solving this. So it looks like this. These two are at the top, while these two are facing to the front, if you hold it like this. And then, how you want to do it, basically, what you can do, I use this cube, you can do this, like, you can hold it like this, and then do it backwards from the T case. So basically like this. Or you could hold it like this, then do this. So basically turn it or rotate. And really easy to memorize. Next, now this is the last step. It's called PBL, or permute both layers. Now it could happen that you don't like have a layer, but like you only have this here. So it could happen. Oops. It could happen that you only have one layer up here. Now this is really easy. Then you can have a UF. However, if you get this case at the bottom, it's actually easier. You don't have to like regrip until it gets solved. Next, we have this case where we have the side solved and these have to swap. This is really easy. Now this is an algorithm from 3x3. And then this algorithm is also from 3x3. These two have to swap. This one is long. So this one you can just do 2 J turns like twice like this. Then you get a bar which you can make into a side. Sometimes it can take long to set it up. Yeah, so these two have to swap. That you do like this. There. And then it could happen that you have it like this. So one side solved here and these two. This is also really simple. Now it could happen that you don't have like a side, but you have two bars. This is the same. It doesn't mean that you will have AUF at the end. And then the last algorithm is 3 moves. So it's basically no bars, no bars. And that's how you solve the 2x2. I hope you learned something new today. And please make sure to like and subscribe because I am a channel that's trying to grow. And I'll see you guys next time.